Hi all, I'm Dee and welcome to Dee Code's YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the upcoming Infosys hiring for 2024 batch, especially only for 2024 batch. So for the roles such as specialist programmer and DSC role. So I'm just going to be talking all about it. So I'll be giving you the idea about eligibility criteria, roles offered, salary package offered, deadline to apply, exam pattern and preparation. So towards the end, I'll be giving you the information regarding the exam pattern and preparation. It will be really useful for you, so do watch it till the end. And one more thing, the application link, okay, the apply link, I'm going to be providing that in the description box below, so you can refer to that, go to the link and apply. So after watching this video, okay, so let's get into this. But before that, I'd like to show you my YouTube channel, which is Decodes. So quickly, the purpose of my channel is to be useful for others who are all preparing for their interviews, so that they can get to the next steps of their lives. So that whatever guidance you need in cracking each and every round for various companies that comes on campus or off campus, that guidance will be provided by me, by my channel, with by my team also. So we've been consistently uploading technical interview experiences, HR interview experience, internship updates, hiring updates, hackathon updates, and many such things. Okay, Python shorts, Java shorts, DBMS MCQs, programming MCQs, communication round, and everything. Okay, so my channel is the go-to thing for you if you don't want to miss any updates, if you want to learn and crack a particular round that you're aiming for. Okay, so please do subscribe to me and like this video and share this video and my channel with your friends who are all preparing for their interviews too. Okay, now let's get into this video. Okay, fine. Let's just first look at the eligibility criteria. Okay, let me just switch over to okay, fine. So the eligibility criteria for this one is actually you can either be from BE or BTech, ME or MTech, MCA or MSc. Okay, either of these degrees are eligible. For MSc mathematics is eligible, and then MSc CS or IT streams, and that should be 5 years integrated course. Only these people are eligible for this. Okay, fine. You should have took like MSc specialization in CSIT, 5 years integrated course. Okay, I hope you got an idea. And then branches regarding these degrees, all branches are allowed. CSE, IT, EEE, ECE, even non-CSIT, civil, mech, and every branches are allowed to apply for this and appear for the rounds. Okay, and your degree should be actually a full-time degree course recognized by central or state government of India. Okay, and you should not have any backlogs. Should not have any backlogs, simply put. Okay, no backlogs. Okay, and then the academic scores in 10th and 12th. In 10th and 12th, you should have at least 60% or 6 CGPA. 6 CGPA. Okay, 60% or 6 CGPA in 10th and 12th. And in graduation, okay, you need to have at least 65% or 6.5 CGPA. Okay, fine. So 10th and 12th, 60% or 6 CGPA minimum. Graduation, 65% or 6.5 CGPA minimum. Okay, the candidates are like, there is kind of a cooling period, kind of like not cooling period. The thing is, if you have participated in any Infosys interview process in the last 9 months, then you are not eligible for this particular hiring. The last 9 months. Okay, so specialist programmer, I've seen people attending in the last 2 months, before 2 months also. If you've already attended it, then you're not eligible for this particular hiring. Okay, and let's talk about the education gap. The education gap between 10th and graduation, so that education gap is only allowed, and it should not be more than 2 years. So maximum is actually 2 years. Okay, and that is allowed only between 10th and graduation, not during the graduation. If you've got any gap during the graduation, then you are not eligible. Okay, I hope you got an idea regarding the eligibility criteria. Let's move over and see about the roles offered for you. Okay, so the roles offered are two: specialist programmer and digital specialist engineer. So either of this role you will be put into and you will have work. So what kind of work can you expect? You can be expected to work in cutting edge technologies. Okay, like all of the mean stack, MERN stack, Hadoop, and everything, cutting edge technologies, AI, ML, and those kind of things, developer side, DevOps side. Okay, so these are all the roles that are offered for you. Okay, fine. Let's go into the salary and package, salary package and deadline. I'm sorry. The salary package is usually 9.5 LPA or 13 LPA. Okay, either of these you will be offered 9.5 or 13 LPA, and the deadline to apply for this is actually 11th September. Okay, so the deadline is coming near. Today is 9th September. If you are watching it today, please do go and apply it right now. Okay, only like 2 more days left for you. Okay, so 11th September 2024 is actually the deadline for you. Okay, now let's get into this exam pattern. Okay, the exam pattern, you will have online assessment and a virtual interview. Okay, so the online assessment is the first round and the virtual interview in the is the second round. Pretty simple, only 2 rounds for this. Okay, only 2 rounds for this for you. Let's look at the online assessment. Okay, so with respect to online assessment, the duration of the online assessment is going to be 3 hours, 3 hours. And in 3 hours, you will be given 3 problems to solve, 3 coding problems. No aptitude, nothing. No aptitude, no numerical ability, no verbal reasoning, no logical ability, nothing of that sort. No programming MCQ, just direct 3 coding problems. Okay, and the difficulty level, so one problem will be from easy coding problem, one will be very easy to solve, the second one will be a medium problem, third will be a hard problem for you. Okay, and then the topics covered under which topics they can ask these coding problems is that, you know, this data structures and algorithm. All of this data structures and algorithm concepts, you can expect the coding questions. And is switching allowed between questions? Yes, it is allowed. Okay, so this is going to be the online assessment for you. I hope you got an idea. 3 hours, number of problems is 3, easy one, medium one, and hard one. Data structures and algorithm problems. Okay, now let's go into the allowed programming languages. The allowed programming languages are, you can use C or C++ or Java, Python or JavaScript. Only 5 is actually allowed. The compiler, actually it is pretty good, a very good, a high quality compiler. You don't have to worry about anything, right? So you don't have to worry about anything from their side. It's going to be proper and pakka. So all you need to do is put in the hard work and attend this particular thing. Okay, so these are all the allowed programming languages that you can choose from. Okay, now let's get into these easy, medium and hard. So under easy problem, what you can expect, what topic you can expect. Okay, like basic aptitude you would have got, like, so the basic aptitude kind of questions is coding problems. Okay, so aptitude means not actual aptitude question, these aptitude related concept as coding problem. Okay, fine. And then algorithms. So in the easy thing, you can expect the algorithms such as searching algorithm, like you need to implement that. So if you take binary search, it is implemented in many problems, you can use it in many problems, you can expect questions like that. Searching algorithms, sorting algorithms, you need to know all of these. Okay, sorting algorithms, and then many more algorithms exist, so you need to practice each and everything. And basic data structures. Fine. So this easy question is designed to test your fundamental understanding, like the basic understanding that you have, that is tested in this particular easy round, easy question. Okay, now let's go into the medium one. So to answer these questions, you should have a basic understanding of greedy algorithm. Okay, so the greedy algorithm. Fine. So they will put your problem solving skills to the test more severely, and it is pretty difficult than the medium one. Okay, so pretty difficult than the like the easy one, than the easy one, so you need to be thorough with that. Okay, so in medium question, only one thing, greedy algorithm, top to bottom practice everything that's in greedy algorithm, and you can easily solve this particular medium question. Okay, let's go to the hard one. So the difficult one, you can expect dynamic programming. So dynamic programming based questions are going to be asked. They're going to be very difficult to solve. Okay, so proficiency with intricate algorithms, so problem solving abilities are all tested. Okay, if you just sit and practice daily, you can easily crack this particular round. Okay, so I hope you got an idea regarding what will be asked in the easy, medium and difficult questions. Now let's go to the actual topics that you need to be prepared with. Okay, so aptitude, you would have already studied aptitude for various rounds, have a basic formula understanding of that. Okay, and then the algorithm, already as I was talking about, searching algorithm, sorting algorithm, searching, sorting and everything. Okay, and many such algorithms, and basic questions in array, string, stack queue. I told you, right, you need to be thorough with the data structures also. So basics of all these data structures: array, string, stack, queue, tree, graph, hash table, linked list, all of these things. What you need to do is you need to pick a language. Okay, let's say you've picked Java. So in Java, you need to know about the basic things, basic collections and everything, basic if else conditions, and all of the basics of Java, error handling and everything. And then you need to know about the collections basically mainly, and then you can go on and study all of these. So if you take array, you can study about array, its characteristics and operations. The same goes for strings also. Okay, and then stack, if you take stack, queue, all of these advanced kind of data structures, not advanced than array and string, you need to know about the particular stack and particular data structures property, how they can be implementation of those. And then you need to know about the operations. Okay, and the basic problems with that. Okay, so if you're going to study in this way for all of these data structures, then you can easily answer the easy questions. Okay, with respect to algorithms, you need to learn about searching algorithms, sorting algorithms, and there are many more algorithms. So I'll be discussing about that later, but for now this is the thing. Let's go to the medium questions. So I talked about medium questions, right? So you'll be expecting greedy algorithm. Okay, so greedy, so these are all the some of the questions, some of the problems that follows greedy. Okay, selection sort, knapsack problem, minimum spanning tree, single source shortest path algorithm, job scheduling problem, prims, kruskal's, dijkstra's algorithms and everything. Okay, these are all the example one, but you can go above and over this. Okay, so have an idea about this. I've just given you the topic set, like the algorithm that you need to be prepared with. Okay, with respect to the hard question, it's actually DP, right? So DP. So most common thing is like palindromic subsequence, knapsack problem, Fibonacci numbers. So these are all the example algorithm and problems that I've taken. Don't study only these. Be like study all models in the particular dynamic programming, greedy algorithm, and all of the easy questions also. Okay, so this is the thing about the online assessment. Okay, I hope you got an idea about the particular online assessment. Okay, 3 hours, 3 questions, easy, medium and hard, data structures and algorithms, and we have seen about all of these. Now let's go over to the virtual interview. So if you've like cracked the the first round, which is the online assessment, then you'll be moved on to attend the virtual interview, which lasts for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So virtual interview, it's pretty simple. What they will ask is, first point, whatever problem you solved in the online assessment, you need to be thorough with that. Okay, online assessment, you've solved some problems, right? Greedy algorithm, dynamic programming, basic problem, you need to have an idea of how you solved. Okay, remember that. And then these are all like the mantra. You need to know about the DSA, because they can even give you a code and ask you to solve this. And then followed by it, CS subjects: object oriented programming, DBMS, computer network, computer architecture, OS, compiler design, automata theory. Very commonly asked these things. So in this, OOPS, DBMS, CN, CA, OS, very important. Mandatorily you will be asked one question or two questions from each of these, because these are important. They assess your understanding with this. This is about the virtual interview. Okay, I'm just explaining it in a short manner because I just wanted to talk about everything. And then this is all about this video. And so in this video we talked about, let's just go over this. Infosys 2024 specialist programmer DSE role, eligibility criteria, I talked about it, and then roles offered, salary package, deadline, it's only 11 September 2024, just go and apply right now. And then exam pattern, and then followed by that you've got the online assessment. I talked in detail about that, and then topics for the particular online assessment, virtual interview and everything. Okay, so now I just want you to show something, that is, let's just go over. If you click at the link, initially you will be getting a page. Okay, initially you will be getting a page, and that page will ask you to agree or decline their terms of statements. Just give agree, and then you will be moved to this particular page. So in this page, they will be asking about your email, first name and last name, and you have to fill that one up and click on the continue one. After you click on continue, then this you will be taken to this particular thing. So in this, actually, you will be asked about your personal details, okay? Like simple personal details, your gender, first name, last name, email address, passport size photo. You need to upload your passport size photo and your resume, do not forget, and your resume also. Okay, these are all the documents that you need to submit over here. Your contact number, alternate contact number, DOB, date of birth, citizenship. Do you have a passport or not? If you have a passport, pick yes, or else pick no. It's not going to affect, okay? And then address for communication, give your permanent address for communication over here, and then and the postcode. Okay, so followed by this, after you give this, the next page you will be talked about your percentages, okay? 10th. So initially they'll be asking your 10th degree, so you can choose either from this or this, okay? And then the school, board, specialization. If you some of you have not got any specialization, you can use just a general specialization. And then country, state, and then your CGPA, passing month and year. Okay, the same for the 12th also. Okay, you'll be asked about your degree, institute, university, country, state, branch, and everything. The thing is, here your college name will also be asked. So mostly 99% of the time your college will be present in here, so choose that particular option. Okay, 99% of the time your college will be present mostly, so choose your college. Okay, now let's just go on. If you've done post graduation, you can fill this up. If not, it's not needed. And they're talking about the backlogs and your gaps. You can fill this one over here. Okay, after this you can click on the next page and you will be taken to this particular thing. Okay, so have you undergone any selection process with Infosys Limited? Right, that means like if you've attended this already, then you can click yes or no. And then after you give next page, you will be asked about your employment. Are you employed as a director in a company, a partner in another company, or if you're involved in any court proceedings, you can answer it yes or no. And after you click next page, you will be asked about your college photo identity card. Okay, so college photo identity card or government photo identity proof in PDF for verification. So this needs to be in PDF for verification. Okay, so you should not upload Aadhaar card. They are not asking for Aadhaar card. Don't upload Aadhaar card. You can either upload your college photo identity card or government photo identity proof. Okay, if you click on the next page, you'll be getting the next one, which is final thing, that is declaration form. You can click I agree and click on the captcha, I'm not a robot, and you can submit. This is all about it. That's it. I've given you the overview, the thing you have to fill up. Okay, so you get an idea so that you don't fill it wrongly. Okay, so after you're done with this, you will be getting something like this: thank you for filling out the form, Infosys Limited recruitment. And immediately you won't receive any mail for this one. Okay, so if you're eligible, then after a few days you'll be sent the mail. Okay, so I just wanted to talk to you about that also. Okay, so this is all about this video. I've talked about everything. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.